What's up, guys? I forgot something in the mail, and today we're doing some little tech unboxing. Nothing crazy, you know, just the norm. Nothing crazy, like I said, nothing crazy. So we're just gonna do some unboxing. The point is, I have a different microphone in my camera. That's what I use for anything, vlogging, regular videos. That's what I use almost every single time. So I decided to, you know, get an upgrade, and this time we're going with the Rode VideoMicro, and we're gonna test it out to see what it looks like, you know. I got it online. I wanted to get it from Amazon, but it would take too long, so I decided, you know what, let's get it from eBay and test it out to see how good it is. And if it's not good, we're just gonna let it go. So I have it here, so let's open it up and see what what's in there and how does the sound is from the one that I'm using right now. So let's open this bad boy up. Jesus Christ. All right, it looks it looks exactly like I said. It's a second-hand microphone. It's not brand new. I bought it from eBay. I don't trust eBay like that, but you know, it is what it is. So let's see what we are working with. So this is the mic. It has the little cat cover, and oops, sorry. And this is the mic itself. This is the mic itself. So as you guys can see, just a little thing, and it is from Rode because you guys can see the logo and the marking on it. And I want to make sure. Okay, it does come with one. It's inside of it. So yeah, so pretty much this goes inside of there, stay there, and you have this little cable. I like this little cable because it's red, and my tripod on my camera is also, it has like a little bit of red in it, which is good. It's not an issue, but I like the fact that it's like that. So I gotta make sure I got the right head. It don't matter. So we're just gonna put it right in there, and this is this right here is the holder and stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in here. Actually, it'd be so annoying sometimes when you put in it. It'd be so hard. I'll take this off. So the way that you're supposed to put it, you're supposed to press it down. Here we go, right up in there. And then this goes on top of it right here, and then you attach it to the top of the camera. I'm gonna attach this on it, and then after that we're gonna test the sound to see how it sounds. You get me? So let's do it now, because I spent I think 40 bucks. I don't know, don't matter. So I'm gonna take I'm not gonna stop the video, I'm gonna let it keep going. So I'm gonna take this off. Here we go. Oh, it's a big difference. Actually, it's a big difference. I can still hear the background sound, but the sound is way better. Like, oh wow, I'm surprised. Oh wow. have my headphones on, and it's also connected to the camera. So any sound, any like as of right now, you can hear me talking. I can hear it on the headphones, which is good because I wanted to hear exactly what I sound like instead of turn on the camera and watch the video, or put a video on my computer and listen to how I sound. So it's kind of like a 10-10 situation right now with my headphones on, fully on blast, like literally the last one, and I'm actually listening to the sound coming from the mic, which is amazing. That is great. That's what I wanted. This is the other mic that I had. This one is a little bit bulky. It's from Movo. I'm not sponsored by them. It's from Movo. It's a great mic, but it's just like not really what I'm looking for. It's an amazing mic. It's just not what I needed. It's kind of like the same thing, but the Rode is a little bit smaller. I don't know if you, yeah, whatever. I don't know if you guys get it, but yeah. And the little mouth thing is bigger also, so yeah. But I like this one better because I can hear myself clearly. I don't really hear any much of background noise and stuff like that, which is great. That's what I was looking for. Usually when I'm outside and I'm vlogging, it's a weird feelings to hear the whole background sound. When I look up for the video online and I was like, what's a good mic for vlogging, this pop up. So yeah, I think we got it figured out. I was thinking on buying those small ones, the one that comes with a receiver, but I think this is exactly what I wanted, which is amazing. Yeah, so that's it. I think that's pretty much for the video. I would definitely recommend you to buy this. I would link this mic down below in the comment, and you guys, if you guys want it, you guys can purchase it. And yeah, this is a great mic. I love the sound. I love how everything sound right now, and it's amazing. Definitely would recommend you to buy it. Yes. So yeah, this is it for this little techie type of video. If you guys have any comment, make sure you comment down below and let me know. And if you guys do not have any more comments or anything, you know, like the video and follow, subscribe, or whatever. Do whatever makes you happy. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I hope to see you guys on my next videos coming up. So yeah, peace out.